How to convert SQLite database data into CSV. Try SysTools SQLite Database recovery software. Let's discuss key features first. First is efficient recovery. It restores tables, views, triggers, and indexes from corrupt or inaccessible SQLite files. Second, flexible export. It saves data in SQLite, MS Access, PDF, or CSV formats with data type mapping. Advanced features. Recovers deleted records, previews objects, and supports UTF-8, UTF-16 formats. Wide compatibility. Works with files from various origins and supports all Windows OS versions. To download the software, open Google and search for SysTools SQLite Database recovery software. Now click on the first link. Then click on the download button. Once downloaded, simply install the software on your system. This is the interface of the SysTools SQLite Database recovery software. To get started, click on the Add File option at the top left. This will open the Add File panel. In the File Options section, you'll see SQLite file. Here, you need to import your SQLite file. On the right, click the three-dotted box to browse for the file. You can import either .SQLite or .db file. Once selected, click Open. You can also import a journal file if you have one. Journal files are generated along with .SQLite files. To import, click the three-dotted box on the right, select the journal file and click Open. Below you'll find the file types options, one for SQLite files and another for journal files. For journal files, you can adjust the encoding formats like UTF-8, UTF-16, UTF-16LE, or UTF-16BE. Once everything is set, click the Add button to proceed. On the left side, the upper table displays SQLite database folders, while the table below shows the database properties of the SQLite database. You can export these database properties directly as a CSV or PDF by clicking the respective buttons. To view SQLite folder data, click on a folder. On the right side, in the tabular panel, the data will be displayed in a clear and organized format. At the bottom, in the hex panel, you can view this data in binary format. You can export just the hex data as a PDF by clicking the PDF button on the right. To export specific query data, use the Select Export option. Choose the desired queries and proceed by clicking the Select Export option. You can export data in various formats including SQLite database, new or existing Microsoft Access databases, PDF files, and CSV files. The hex panel also displays data in binary format, which you can easily download as a PDF. In the deleted panel, you can view deleted data that has been recovered. This data can also be exported using the Select Export option. Finally, in the SQL editor, you can execute queries, add new queries, save them, or open existing ones. Let's export all the data. On the left, select the folder you want to export, or check the top checkbox to select the entire SQLite database. Click on the Export button at the top to open the main export panel. If you want to exclude certain files, you can uncheck them. For example, clicking on Active Records will gray out the option, meaning active records won't be exported. The same applies to deleted records and all media files. For this tutorial, we'll enable all options since we want to export all data. In the Select Options section, choose CSV as the export format. Users can select a different format if needed. Next, in the Save Type section, set the destination path for the export file. To do this, click Browse, choose a folder or destination path, and then click OK. Now that everything is configured, click Save to export. A confirmation message will appear, stating that the export was successful. Clicking OK will take you directly to the exported destination folder. Now check your converted CSV files. Let's also check Other CSV file. And that's it. That's how you can convert SQLite database data to CSV using SysTools SQLite Database recovery software. Log on to the product page for more details and to purchase the product. For any queries, email us at support@systoolsgroup.com.